Welcome to CRM Crew, my name is Nick, and in today's quick tutorial I'm going to be demonstrating how to add users to your HubSpot CRM system. So once you log into HubSpot, of course you'll come to the home screen. Now in order to add a user you need to go to the cog in the top right hand corner, but do ensure you have administrative permissions. So we'll press the cog, then from here we want to go to account setup and then to users and teams. Now as you can see here we've got a list of all the users inside of the HubSpot CRM system. In order to add a new one, we just need to go to the create user button on the right hand side here and press that. Now we need to add the email address for the user that we are adding. So in this instance I'm going to use info@crmcrew.co.uk, and then we can add additional email addresses by writing them and using a comma to separate, or we can upload a CSV file if you've got a lot of users to add. And then we just need to press the next button, and this is here where we can assign permissions for this particular user. Now by default HubSpot assigns the most standard permissions for the user, and they'll have access to everything that is suitable for them. The only thing that they won't have access to is on the account, and that is the settings and effectively the administrative permissions. They won't have access to that. But you can change any of these permissions accordingly by using the on and off button. Feel free to go through each of the different options, or CRM marketing, sales, service, reports and accounts, and make changes accordingly, but I feel as if the HubSpot recommendations are very suitable. Once you've made the permission decisions, just press the next button on the bottom right hand corner here, and then you can invite your team to HubSpot just by pressing the send button. Now once you've sent the send button, it will say they've been added and the invite is pending. Now when they receive the invite, they need to follow the link via email, and they'll be asked to provide their first name, last name and create a password for the account. They'll then be asked to provide their first name and last name again, and that is for the actual account information. And then they'll be asked to provide a phone number, however they don't have to complete this if they don't want to. And then they'll be asked a couple of quick questions by HubSpot regarding the field at which they work in, so the department, and the best description of the role, and that is to work out which part of the CRM system would be most applicable for them to use, because obviously we've got the marketing and the sales side and the service side, so that by answering those questions they'll be recommended access or which one is most suitable. And then from there, once they've completed that, they'll then have access to the CRM system, and they will be able to use the HubSpot CRM system accordingly. So that is how to add a user into your HubSpot CRM system. I hope this video has clearly explained how to add users to your HubSpot CRM system. If you do have any further questions, please drop me an email. My details are in the description below. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you shortly in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.